Dang it. Guess what? There's another one. Don't worry, guys. There's more. Okay, guys. I am sorry. Sorry about that. Oh, crap.
So it's a big difference, a big leap from
There's
being the one
big
that can
ones.
get input to being that person that makes the money.
Just hold the camera. Just hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, just someone else will supervise. I get cleaned up here. Do not ask.
Grandma's taking a picture of herself. Just look at it. Getting that the wrong way, that ain't.
No, I don't.
Yeah, she
At the
does.
same time, I've got a responsibility.
He's got a lot to learn, doesn't he?
Okay, just hold that while I go to
What
the
do you
bathroom.
say?
Okay? I'm gonna
You're supposed to respect your elders.
He's
Ooh.
also an elder too, so I'm
Safe.
Do
Do a great job.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Grandma ain't old.
Thank you, sir. I mean, even that's what, well,
I know how to
what I was
say
expecting.
that.
You are responsible for the safe
I don't know how to say that in a nice
Kind
way.
of.
I don't know how to say that in a nice way. Wow.
flying my first flight
Wow, was that ever a different one? That was like
for Chelsea.
petals, rose petals or something. I've never seen one of those. That's two I've never seen. These different ones they're putting out?
Well, I don't know what they paid for.
Look at them.
I'm cold. I'm looking nothing.
Now just look out the window. Just turn the TV off and turn around. Why? What?
I'm cold.
I said turn the TV off, then you can see them better. Now turn around, look out the window. Look at there's a ring. Oh my gosh!
What?
You're missing these good ones,
I'm
Savannah.
sorry, but I'm bleeding.
Some that I've never seen before.
Oh, I should have said don't ask, because now you know I'm bleeding.
Your foot.
Grandma ain't an elder. Grandma's
It's
not
her
old.
foot.
I don't-
She's fine.
I don't know how to.
Shh. Okay. Okay.
I don't know how to say it, but she's old.
I don't
No one
know
say
how to
my name in
say
this
it in a
video.
nice way. Is what she said.
See that one?
Dang it.
Looks better out this window. You're getting to the screen over there. Ouch. Keep here. I'm okay.
Ooh, groundworks. You can't.
There's the moon. See it?
You're being recorded, you know.
Yep, and this is going to be posted on YouTube.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
Savannah, I don't know if you should do that.
Well, I'm posting this on YouTube.
No, it's private.
It's not private.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
It's our house.
Okay, quiet.
No one knows the address.
It's like two children. Look at.
Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
That's the smoke. The fire behind it.
Just keep on bleeding.
Hold pressure on it. It's
Pressure
just a
on it.
little sore.
I got it.
Ooh, look at that one.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Savannah, can you see? Can you
No.
Sorry, guys. We got some more pictures.
see? Ooh, look at that one. See, they're different.
Yeah, I can see them.
They're different kinds I've never seen before.
Well, you don't get out very much.
You're mean.
Kind of like Gracie.
This is being recorded. Gee.
Yep, and this is going to go on YouTube. So,
Shh. Look at that one.
I've seen them before.
I've never seen one like that.
I have.
Look at that. See that? I've never seen one like that either.
All I got to say is somebody's got some money.
Whatever.
Well, I bet that's Hampton Inn's got the money in, because that's about where Hampton's is at.
Well, that makes sense for a wedding then. Out back there.
By that pond, that lake.
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Wish my ankle would
Oh.
stop bleeding.
Hold pressure on it. Don't move
There you
it.
go. Get this one.
That looked like a mouth from SML.
A mouse.
A
No,
mouth.
mouth. That mouth from SNL.
Hmm.
Super Mario Logan, the best,
No.
best channel ever. Best.
On what?
Super Mario Logan on YouTube.
No. It's too much computer. That's what run people out of their jobs nowadays.
Remember, whatever you're saying is gonna go on live.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay then.
I only talk to her face.
Ignore the grandpa.
Here. You want to hold it now? I'm getting tired.
No.
Fireworks! There's one! You get out!
Wow. Can you see, Savannah?
Yes, I can see it.
I got that.
Don't worry, you don't need. Scoot over.
It's kind of late. God damn it. That one fell on the floor.
Wow. That looked like a bow, didn't it? Did you see it? That looked like a bow.
Plate on the floor here.
Ooh.
Wow. I think it's done bleeding. Finally. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad we're getting this on tape.